Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to safely reset your Cash App PIN if forgotten. Okay, now first you'll have to open the Cash application on your phone. And here we are in the main page of our Cash App account. And what we're going to do is to simply click on this card icon on the bottom left side. So click on it. Here for us, it's going to take us to our card section. Now, if we actually scroll down just a tiny bit here, we will see a section called Change Our PIN. So if we tap here, first and foremost, it will ask for our old PIN number. But in case you do not remember actually your old PIN number, simply click on Forgot Cash PIN. And here it will verify based off your phone number. So make sure you put in the confirmation code that came through. Now, for any reason you do not have access to that phone number that's attached to your account, you will need to contact Cash App directly to be able to resolve that issue. And once you provide the old PIN number, you will just have to enter the new PIN number and you're all done. And that's all for today. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.